Yes, we are in the episode number 11 of the Valmiki Ramayana. हम सब मिलकर श्री रंजन हैदराबाद से सब लोग अंदर कलसी श्री रंजन हैदराबाद నుంచి అందరూ all from Sri Ranjan Hyderabad we have come all the way to Padmavati. This is about the Padmavati Koneri. And ఎందుకంటే this is what Koneri. Real reason to meet the darshan of the Kali Yuga boss. First we should have what we call Padmavati Darshanam. Padmavati Koneri Snanam, Tarvata Padmavati Darshanam. Then Tarvata one has to go to the Varaha Swami temple. Then we should have the darshan of the Kali Yuga boss. Coming back to our what we call episode number 11 of Valmiki Ramayana. Lava and Kusha, వాళ్ళిద్దరు రామర్ ఎదురుగా వాళ్ళ అయోధ్య ప్యాలెస్ లో దే గివ్ ద వాట్ వి కాల్ హోల్ ఆఫ్ ద రామాయణం. At that time, Ramar will tell to the Lakshmana very clearly. History is repeating it. Ramar uses the word history. He is repeating it. They are getting the same story of listening through the Lava and Kusha. Once again repeating it. Lava and Kusha does not know that they are giving the Ramayana story in front of the Rama. It is that does not know. Rama tells to Lakshmana, "Enta andanga unnaru iddaru pillalu. Both are very handsome. Both the faces are very charming, glowing. And that is why they mastered the Vedas and all. So in that, the whole of the Lava and Kusha have completed the whole of Ramayana in Ayodhya within 32 days. I'm repeating once again, they have completed within 32 days of the whole of the Ramayana in front of Rama and Lakshmana, in front of the ministers, in front of the sages and got everything and all. But Rama's lucky number is 48 a day. But in Chapter, Etla 48 is very lucky number. That is when Rama goes to that what you call for the forest. At that time I will refer why that lucky number is 48. So 32 plus Rama what you call 14 14 saal ka vanavasam मिलाए तो 47. Then I will tell you what has happened to that 1 year of the 48th year. So, but in short, we are here at Padmavati of that Valmiki Ramayana. All the Gopikas are doing their Rama Parayanam, Rama Prayanam. We are at the Padmavati. Andar bhavundalani, sab log acha rehna. Sarve jana sukhino bhavantu. लोका समस्त सुखिनो भवन्तु. उनको सर और एक बार हे पद्मावती का कोनेरी का एक बार नदी स्नानम कर लिया. On your behalf, I am just praying down to everything unto her. Let us meet in the next episode of the Valmiki Ramayana. Till then, be happy. So I want to chant 2 lines about the Padmavati. Om Mahalakshmi Chavadmihi Vishnupati Chadimi Tanno Lakshmi Prachodayat. Om Mahalakshmi Chavadmihi Vishnupati Chadimi Tanno Lakshmi Prachodayat. सर्वे जना सुखिनो भवन्तु. लोका समस्त सुखिनो भवन्तु. जय श्री राम, जय श्रीमन्नारायण, जय वडु राम, जय 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 वडु राम.
పద్మావతి అమ్మవారు అంజల సేవ జరుగుతుంది, వీక్షించండి.
Shubhodaya. Manamandaram, we are all Gopikas from Sri Ranjan. We have come down to Padmavati. This is the Padmavati Gopuram. Manamandaram, Padmavati దగ్గర వచ్చిన Gopuram. This is very important thing. Before Kali Yuga boss मिलने के पहले మనం కలిసే ముందు that is we should have first Kaya Padmavati what we call Darshanam. That is number 1. Now we are entering into the Valmiki Ramayana of the episode number 11. That is what our Rama Parayanam and Rama Prayanam. And after you can see that what we call Puja Seva Jarutundani, the Padmavati Yenavani. The coming to our episode number 11 of the Valmiki Ramayana is what we call Lava and Kusha were singing in Ayodhya. That is in front of Lord Rama. Rama does not know. Rama को नहीं मालूम. तो 2 बच्चे उनका बेटे है बोलते हैं. तो बेटे को भी नहीं मालूम. You can see the character of the things on the of this Padmavati of the thing. You can have that very good of the Siyana, of the Darshanam, of the things and all. You can see very beautiful. Here is the Darshanam. It is you can see this is of the Padmavati of the things and all. It is fortunate to have all the things coming back. All the things Lava and Kusha are singing in front of Lord Rama, and Rama was very highly impressed, and he was telling to his brothers Lakshmana, "Anta baga paartunnaru, kitna acha ga rahe hain, kitna acha ekam kar rahe hain." They were very highly impressed of the Lava and Kusha. And the Lava has sang in within 32 days. See, they sang the whole of the Ramayana in 32 days. This very important is Rama's lucky number is 48. How 48 means what? Your Lavan Kusha has sang the Ramayana in front of them for 32 days. For 32 days. Rama has gone to the Vanavasa for 14 years. 32 plus 14 is 47. But Rama has one more thing. The luckiest number is 48. Enduku lucky number 48 that I will tell in the due course of the next episode of the Valmiki Ramayana. Lavan Kusha had that face. Rama tells his Lakshmana, "Inta baga undi face, kala inta baga undi." Lavan Kusha pati inka bare mein bolna bolna. They were very highly educated. They were know the what you call Vedam. They were all proper on science of archery. By this we are completing what you call of the 11th episode of the Valmiki Ramayana. We all have come from Srirangachanam, Hyderabad to the Tayar Padmavati. Remember to have a darshan of Kaliga boss. First we should have what you call the Padmavati darshanam. बाद में we had to go down to Varaha Narasimha Swami. And afterwards we take Kaliga boss के दर्शन करना. That's what this is what about today's episode number what you call number 11 of the Valmiki Ramayana. Andar Bagar all Gopikas have come from once again from Srirangachanam, Hyderabad to Padmavati. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shriman Narayan, Jai Vodu Rama, Jai 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 Vodu.
Jai Govind.